Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is a larger, kind of heavy package. I don't know, obviously I don't know what's in it. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. This card landed upside down. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's see. What's the best? Yeah, just tactical approach, right? Got to make sure. Here we go. That's perfect. Yes, obviously the best point of access is right there. It was all intentional. Okay. Almost in there. I was wondering, I'm like, why do people drop off in the first minute of the video? This is why. Sorry. This is how I like to do it. There's one right there. There we go. I'm kidding about that, by the way. Most people watch. There's only a few people who drop off in the beginning, and it's probably because they don't... Oh my gosh! There's a lot of stuff in there. Okay, hang on. We got a note. Yo, huge fan of the channel. One of the first videos I watched was the 52100 Mannix. Holy cow, that was legitimately one of our... Well, I say our, because me and Ricky were doing these videos back then. When it came out... Hope you enjoy the knives I sent you, including, okay, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to ruin it for you guys. Good deal. Yes, along with a few other knives I hope you enjoy. Okay, awesome. I'd love to hear your input. Keep making dope content. You rock. Hey, thanks very much. That's from Juan. I appreciate that. And let me give you guys his Instagram and Reddit. Or wait, yeah. Right there. Can we see that? So there you go. Give him a follow on Reddit and Instagram. I appreciate that. All right, what do we got here? A whole bunch of stuff. Let's take a look at this one first. Oh. Little Boker auto. By the way, I'll link all of this stuff right down below. That he's got them listed in here. Let's see here. First one is... Oh, he just says a few others. So some of these aren't listed, but I'll find out what these are and I will link them down below. So this is a nice little Boker auto, right? Looks like some type of... Is it aluminum? Yeah, it feels like aluminum, right? And you've got a little firing button, right? Nice little... Looks like California legal, probably. Oh, Vox design. Okay, that's cool. That makes sense. It kind of has that look. OS 8. I would imagine that's not very expensive, but who knows? Never handled it before. This is all just first impressions. So like I said, if you want to check out the prices, just go right down below. We have... Oh, I believe this is one of the ones I asked for. Well, darn it. It's got one of those thumb disc things, so I got to adjust and figure it out. Okay, so you can flip it, and then it's got... this little deal here. So what is... This is the James Brand. Yeah, this is one of those James Brand knives, but controversy. This is VG10. So this is another good-looking design. Excuse me, another good-looking design from James Brand using micarta and VG10, but I know for a fact the price on this is kind of yikes, right? So this is, I believe, the Carter. Yeah, the James Brand Carter. So I'll link this guy down below. You guys, of course, can always make your own decisions. It does benefit my channel, even when you make decisions, you know, that are not based on my recommendation. Just to be full honesty there. But yeah, there is definitely a controversy going on with the price on that guy. I think long-standing, right? This is an Izula, definitely. Izula 2. Oh, this is cool. I've never actually handled this. So I had the Izula with the shorter handle. This is the one with the longer handle. And right off the bat, I like this so much more than the one that I had. This makes way more sense because you can actually get a full purchase on it and it's super comfortable. Man, I like that a lot. What an awesome work knife. I also love the idea of this thing being in bright orange. I lose my tools in the yard all the time because I always pick colors like black and green, like OD green, basically the colors of earth. So when I throw it around, I'm always looking around going, where the heck did I put my knife? These bright colors like ESEE does orange and like, lime green and stuff like that. I just love the idea of that for a tool. I think that's excellent. So this is really cool. The Izula, the original one that I did on the channel, I did a long time ago, but it is definitely a recommendable knife. I'm going to guess I'm just going to have a better experience with this one, so I will definitely be linking this one down below if I can. That's really cool. I'm glad you sent that. Next up, we have, yes, this is the little, what was this? Is it the Kershaw Brawler or is it something else here? I know you guys are like, you should know this, right? 1,800 uploads. It's really hard to memorize everything that I've handled and stuff that I have not handled. So you'll have to cut me a break. It probably said, does it say? Well, it's the 3450 BW. Les George. Oh, HCR 13 MOV. That doesn't surprise me. This is probably a very inexpensive knife, steel frame lock, right? It does have a Georgie handle. The handle's very Georgie, right? All right, so there you go. Inexpensive Kershaw. I do appreciate, as much as my channel takes a look at, higher end knives, right? It's nice to take a look at available, less expensive knives, not counting the James brand. And this guy's probably fairly pricey as well. But it's nice to look at stuff like this every now and then so that, people can get their hands on some other interesting stuff versus the $200, $300, $400, $500 stuff that I'm usually reviewing. And then the last one here is one in the Launch series. This is the Kershaw Launch. Oh, well, there's, what is there? 15 of them? But this is one of the Launch series knives that I have not reviewed. In fact, there's a lot of Launch series knives that I have not reviewed. I am 99% sure that this guy is available now too. These are usually using, yes, CPM 154, which is excellent. These are some of the best priced. In fact, I think they probably are the best priced American side opening automatics. ProTech, I still think makes the best side opening automatic, especially, for US items. But they're more expensive. So as far as price goes, you're looking at CPM 154, aircraft aluminum, right? Not quite on the same level as ProTech for the action and fit and finish, which is obviously why you pay a little bit more for ProTech. But the action is still plenty snappy on this guy. The Launch series knives have always had kind of goofy designs, right? Like this functions and I can hold on to it, but I look at it and I'm like, why does this look like somebody ripped a piece off of a rope, some type of like piece of machinery, right? There's all these like interesting, some people like this stuff. It's a little bit too busy for me aesthetically, but yeah, I mean, you can get a full grip on this guy. Blade is plenty long. That looks like it might be a 3.7 to 4 inch blade. What can I compare to? Okay, Shaman. 3.5 inches on the Shaman. Yeah, this is probably 3.75, something like that. So that's pretty cool. I believe that that's available. I think most of this stuff is available. So interesting. It's always nice to get a big group. And we have one more here. I almost forgot about this guy. Oh, the rectangle. Is this a, what is this? Oh, okay. You know what? That's kind of cool. Wow, it's smooth. What is this? What does it say? Tyrant Razor. By ESEE Designs, right? This type of stuff cracks me up. Titanium frame lock with a lock bar insert. Wow, it's so smooth. Ooh, that's kind of neat, right? It's like the guys who are constantly making the argument, why wouldn't you just carry a utility knife? They're like, I don't know what to say about that. It's crazy how smooth it is. Their blade play. Not that it matters at all on this design. But no, there's not. All right. I mean, it's a rectangle, right? So carry profile is going to be easy, but as far as like ergonomic, right? This is going to be a quick sort of draw cut utility knife, but it has that, knife enthusiast element there with the frame lock and the extremely smooth. It's really smooth. That's crazy how smooth it is. I'm really shocked by that. What is the name of this? Hang on. I'm reading. Okay, so it's not. I'll figure it out. It'll be down in the description if you can get it. I'll figure it out. Just look down there. This was cool. This was a good haul. I don't normally have 5 or 6 knives to unbox in a single video, but it's always fun. We can do this periodically. Hang on a sec. What do we have here? So we've got extra blades, but I really want to look at these before I continue to see if there's something special. No, it just says wins. Okay. So I was wondering, I was like, oh, I wonder if these are like S30V razor blades. It'll be a whole another level of like ironic cost efficiency, right? All right. I think that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks again, Juan, for sending in this cool haul of knives. You guys will get full comprehensive reviews. Like I said, this is just unboxing, first impressions, just looking over some stuff. You guys will get a full comprehensive review come 2 to 3 weeks for each of these. So be on the lookout if there's something here you're really interested in. That's going to be pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.